TIBCO iProcess Online Training. Introduction to TIBCO iProcess, Overview and History. TIBCO iProcess is a comprehensive business process management (BPM) suite developed by TIBCO Software Incorporated. It provides tools and capabilities for modeling, automating, managing, and optimizing business processes. Here's an overview and a brief history. Overview of TIBCO iProcess. Core functionality. TIBCO iProcess allows organizations to design, automate, and monitor business processes. It supports both human-centric and system-centric workflows, enabling businesses to streamline operations and improve efficiency. Key features: process modeling, graphical tools for creating process models that depict workflows, tasks, decisions, and integration points. Process automation, workflow engine to automate the execution of processes, routing tasks to appropriate users or systems. Process monitoring, real-time visibility into process status, performance metrics, and historical data to identify bottlenecks and optimize processes. Integration capabilities, connects with other enterprise systems and applications to orchestrate end-to-end business processes. Analytics and reporting, tools for analyzing process performance, identifying trends, and making data-driven improvements. Deployment options. TIBCO iProcess supports both on-premises and cloud deployments, providing flexibility based on organizational needs and IT infrastructure. History of TIBCO iProcess. Origins. TIBCO iProcess evolved from the early iProcess suite developed by Staffware, a UK-based BPM vendor. Staffware was acquired by TIBCO in 2004, and its technology formed the foundation of what later became TIBCO iProcess. Development milestones. Over the years, TIBCO has continued to enhance iProcess with new features and integrations, aligning it with evolving BPM standards and customer requirements. This evolution has included advancements in process modeling, integration capabilities with TIBCO's broader product suite, and support for modern cloud infrastructures. Current status. As of the latest updates, TIBCO iProcess remains a robust BPM solution used by enterprises worldwide to automate and optimize their business processes across various industries such as finance, healthcare, telecommunications, and more. Key features and capabilities of TIBCO iProcess. TIBCO iProcess, now known as TIBCO Active Matrix BPM, offers several key features and capabilities that make it a robust business process management (BPM) solution. Process modeling and design. iProcess provides tools for modeling business processes graphically, allowing organizations to map out their workflows visually. This includes defining process flows, activities, decisions, and integrations with other systems. Process automation. It enables automation of business processes through workflow orchestration. This includes defining rules, timers, and conditions that dictate process behavior without manual intervention. Integration capabilities. iProcess integrates well with other enterprise systems and applications, facilitating seamless data exchange and process execution across different platforms. Business rules management. It includes capabilities for managing business rules within processes, ensuring consistency and compliance with organizational policies and regulations. Analytics and monitoring. provides real-time monitoring and analytics of process performance and execution metrics. This helps in identifying bottlenecks, optimizing processes, and improving efficiency. User interface and collaboration offers user-friendly interfaces for process participants to interact with workflows. It supports collaboration features such as task assignment, notifications, and decision-making within the context of business processes. Scalability and performance, designed to handle large-scale deployments and mission-critical processes, ensuring scalability and high performance under varying workloads. Security and compliance includes robust security features to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance with industry regulations and internal policies. Mobile and cloud support supports mobile access and integration with cloud platforms, enabling flexibility in deployment and access to processes from anywhere. Extensibility and customization provides tools and APIs for extending functionality and customizing processes to fit specific business needs and IT environments. TIBCO iProcess architecture, components and modules. TIBCO iProcess is a comprehensive business process management (BPM) suite that includes several components and modules to manage business processes effectively. Here are the key components and modules typically found in the TIBCO iProcess architecture. Components. Process engine, the core component responsible for executing business processes according to defined workflows and rules. It manages process instances, task assignments, and interactions between various process participants. Modeler, a graphical tool used to design and model business processes. It allows users to create process definitions, design workflows, specify roles and responsibilities, and define business rules. Administrator, a management console for configuring and administering the iProcess environment. Administrators use this tool to set up user access, manage system resources, monitor process performance, and handle system configurations. Workspace, a web-based interface that provides users with access to tasks, notifications, and process-related information. It allows process participants to interact with assigned tasks, view process status, and collaborate on process execution. Analytics and reporting provides capabilities for monitoring and analyzing process performance metrics, generating reports, and identifying process bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Integration adapters enables integration with external systems and applications, allowing data exchange and interaction between iProcess and other enterprise systems like ERP, CRM, etc. Modules. Workflow management controls the flow of work through predefined processes, ensuring tasks are routed to the right participants at the right time. Business rules engine manages and enforces business rules within processes, ensuring compliance and consistency in process execution. Task management handles task assignments, notifications, escalations, and tracking of task completion status. Document management manages documents and attachments associated with processes, ensuring relevant documents are available to process participants as needed. Monitoring and optimization provides tools for real-time monitoring of process instances, performance metrics, and historical analysis to optimize process efficiency and effectiveness. Security implements security measures to control access to process data, ensure data integrity, and enforce compliance with regulatory requirements. Audit trail maintains a log of all activities and interactions within processes for accountability, compliance, and troubleshooting purposes. Workflow automation and orchestration in TIBCO iProcess. Workflow design. TIBCO iProcess provides a robust graphical interface for designing workflows. This visual modeling approach allows business analysts and developers to define workflows intuitively. Workflows are composed of tasks, decisions, and transitions, each represented visually and interconnected to illustrate the flow of work within a process. Orchestration. Orchestration in iProcess involves coordinating tasks and activities across different systems, departments, or stakeholders. It ensures that processes proceed smoothly and efficiently by managing dependencies, sequencing activities, and handling exceptions or errors. This capability is crucial for automating end-to-end business processes that span multiple functions or IT systems. Business rules. Integrating business rules into workflows enables dynamic decision-making within processes. iProcess supports the implementation of rules that govern task execution, data validation, routing decisions, and other conditional behaviors. This flexibility allows workflows to adapt to changing business conditions or regulatory requirements without manual intervention. Integration. TIBCO iProcess integrates seamlessly with various enterprise systems and applications, including ERP systems, CRM platforms, databases, and legacy systems. This integration capability enables workflows to interact with external data sources, initiate actions in other applications, and exchange information in real time, enhancing process efficiency and data consistency. Monitoring and analytics. The platform offers comprehensive monitoring and analytics capabilities to track workflow execution, measure process performance, and identify bottlenecks or areas for optimization. Monitoring dashboards provide visibility into process status, task completion times, resource utilization, and other key metrics, enabling stakeholders to make data-driven decisions and continuously improve workflows. Automation. Automation features in iProcess streamline repetitive tasks, reducing manual effort and minimizing the risk of errors. Workflows can automate routine activities such as data entry, approval processes, notifications, and document handling. By automating these tasks, organizations can improve operational efficiency, accelerate time to market, and enhance overall business agility. Adaptability. TIBCO iProcess offers flexibility to adapt workflows in response to evolving business needs or changing market conditions. Users can easily modify workflow designs, adjust business rules, or incorporate new tasks and activities without disrupting ongoing operations. This adaptability ensures that workflows remain aligned with strategic objectives and regulatory requirements over time. Integration capabilities of TIBCO iProcess. TIBCO iProcess offers robust integration capabilities to connect with various systems and applications. Some key integration features include Adapter Framework. iProcess provides adapters for integrating with different enterprise applications, databases, and messaging systems. These adapters facilitate seamless data exchange and process automation. Web services integration. It supports integration via web services, enabling interaction with other applications using standard protocols such as SOAP and RESTful APIs. APIs. TIBCO iProcess provides APIs for programmatic access to its functionality, allowing developers to extend and integrate iProcess with custom applications and services. Message queues. Integration with message queues like TIBCO EMS, Enterprise Message Service, or other JMS, Java Message Service, providers for asynchronous communication between iProcess and other systems. Database connectivity. Direct database connectivity for accessing and manipulating data stored in relational databases, which is crucial for data-driven processes. Event handling. Integration with event-driven architectures to trigger processes based on real-time events from external systems. File handling. Support for handling files and attachments within processes, including integration with file systems and FTP/SFTP servers. Legacy systems integration. Capability to integrate with legacy systems through adapters or custom connectors, ensuring compatibility with older technologies. Security features and compliance in TIBCO iProcess. TIBCO iProcess offers several security features and compliance capabilities to ensure robust protection and adherence to regulatory requirements. Authentication and authorization. iProcess supports various authentication mechanisms, including LDAP integration for user authentication. Role-based access control, RBAC, ensures that users have appropriate permissions based on their roles within the organization. Encryption. Data transmission and storage can be encrypted using standard encryption protocols, example TLS/SSL, to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access. Auditing and logging. Comprehensive logging capabilities capture user actions, system events, and transaction details. This auditing feature helps in monitoring and compliance with audit requirements. Compliance. iProcess supports compliance with industry standards and regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and SOX. It provides features to enforce data privacy, access controls, and audit trails necessary for regulatory compliance. Data integrity. Mechanisms are in place to ensure the integrity of data throughout its life cycle, preventing unauthorized modifications or tampering. Security policies. Administrators can define and enforce security policies within iProcess, governing user access, data handling practices, and system configurations. Integration with security frameworks. It can integrate with enterprise security frameworks and tools, enhancing overall security posture and interoperability with existing security infrastructures. Scalability and performance tuning in TIBCO iProcess. Scalability and performance tuning are crucial aspects when working with TIBCO iProcess. Here are some key considerations. Infrastructure sizing. Ensure that your infrastructure, servers, network, storage, is appropriately sized to handle the expected workload and user base. Load balancing. Implement load balancing mechanisms to distribute incoming requests across multiple iProcess servers. This helps in optimizing resource utilization and handling varying workloads. Database tuning. Optimize database performance by tuning SQL queries, indexing frequently accessed tables, and ensuring database statistics are up to date. This can significantly improve overall system responsiveness. Memory and CPU optimization. Monitor and adjust JVM heap sizes and CPU allocation based on workload patterns and resource utilization. This can prevent performance bottlenecks and ensure efficient use of hardware resources. Caching strategies. Use caching mechanisms within iProcess to reduce the need for repeated computations or data retrieval operations. This can speed up response times for frequently accessed data. Monitoring and profiling. Implement monitoring tools to track system performance metrics such as CPU usage, memory consumption, and response times. Use profiling tools to identify and optimize performance-critical components. Scalability planning. Design your iProcess deployment with scalability in mind. Consider horizontal scaling, adding more servers, or vertical scaling, upgrading server hardware based on future growth projections. Network optimization. Ensure that network connectivity between iProcess components and client applications is optimized for minimal latency and maximum throughput. This is especially important in distributed deployments. Case studies. Successful implementations of TIBCO iProcess. Financial services. Challenge. A leading bank faced challenges with lengthy mortgage processing times, affecting customer satisfaction and operational costs. Solution. They implemented TIBCO iProcess to automate and streamline mortgage approval workflows. The solution integrated seamlessly with their existing systems, enabling real-time status updates and decision-making. Results. The bank achieved significant reductions in processing times, with loan approvals accelerated by 30%. This led to improved customer satisfaction due to faster service delivery and reduced operational costs associated with manual processing. Telecommunications. Challenge. A major telecom company struggled with complex and manual service request processes, impacting operational efficiency and customer service levels. Solution. They deployed TIBCO iProcess to automate service request handling, billing processes, and customer support workflows. Integration with CRM systems enabled a unified view of customer interactions. Results. By automating these critical workflows, the telecom company enhanced service delivery speed, reduced errors, and improved customer satisfaction scores. Operational efficiency gains were notable, as staff could focus more on complex customer issues rather than routine tasks. Healthcare. Challenge. A healthcare provider faced challenges in managing patient care workflows across multiple departments, leading to delays in admissions, discharge processes, and scheduling. Solution. They implemented TIBCO iProcess to automate and optimize patient care workflows, including admissions, discharge, and scheduling procedures. Integration with electronic health record (EHR) systems ensured seamless data flow and compliance with healthcare regulations. Results. The healthcare provider achieved better patient care coordination, reduced administrative burdens, and improved staff productivity. Automated workflows ensured timely patient admissions and discharge processes, enhancing overall operational efficiency and patient satisfaction. Manufacturing challenge. A global manufacturing firm grappled with inefficiencies in supply chain management, including order processing delays and inventory management challenges. Solution: they deployed TIBCO iProcess to automate order processing workflows, inventory management, and logistics coordination. Integration with ERP systems provided real-time visibility into inventory levels and order statuses. Results: by automating these critical supply chain processes, the manufacturing firm achieved better inventory control, reduced order fulfillment times, and improved overall supply chain efficiency. Operational costs associated with manual processes were significantly reduced, contributing to higher profitability. Best practices for implementing TIBCO iProcess. Implementing TIBCO iProcess involves several best practices to ensure smooth deployment, scalability, and performance. Here are some key recommendations. Planning and design phase. Requirements gathering. Ensure clear understanding of business requirements and processes to be automated. Process design. Design workflows and business processes with scalability and flexibility in mind. Infrastructure setup. Scalability planning. Design a scalable architecture to handle increasing loads over time. High availability. Implement redundant components to ensure continuous availability. Security considerations. Access control. Define and enforce role-based access control (RBAC) for users and groups. Data protection. Encrypt sensitive data in transit and at rest, adhering to organizational security policies. Performance optimization. Performance tuning. Monitor and optimize workflow execution times and resource usage. Caching strategies. Utilize caching mechanisms to improve response times for frequently accessed data. Monitoring and management. Monitoring tools. Implement monitoring tools to track workflow execution, resource utilization, and system health. Alerting and notifications. Set up alerts and notifications for proactive monitoring and issue resolution. Documentation and training. Documentation. Maintain comprehensive documentation of workflows, configurations, and integrations. Training. Provide training to administrators, developers, and users to ensure efficient use and management of TIBCO iProcess. Testing and validation. Unit testing. Perform thorough unit testing of individual workflows and processes. Integration testing. Validate end-to-end workflows and integrations with other systems before deployment. Life cycle management. Version control. Implement version control for workflows and configurations to manage changes effectively. Change management. Establish change management processes to control and document modifications. Compliance and governance. Regulatory compliance. Ensure workflows comply with relevant regulatory requirements, example GDPR, HIPAA. Audit trails. Maintain audit trails of workflow activities for compliance and troubleshooting purposes. Continuous improvement. Feedback mechanism. Gather feedback from users and stakeholders to identify areas for improvement. Iterative enhancements. Plan for iterative enhancements based on feedback and changing business needs. Future trends in business process management with TIBCO iProcess. Looking ahead, several trends are shaping the future of business process management (BPM) with platforms like TIBCO iProcess. Integration with AI and machine learning. BPM systems are increasingly incorporating AI and machine learning to automate decision-making, predict outcomes, and optimize processes dynamically. Robotic Process Automation (RPA) integration. RPA is being integrated with BPM to automate repetitive tasks, enhancing efficiency and reducing human error. Blockchain for transparency and security. Blockchain technology is being explored for enhancing transparency, traceability, and security in BPM processes, especially in industries like finance and supply chain. Cloud-based BPM solutions. Cloud adoption continues to rise, enabling flexible, scalable BPM solutions that support remote work and global collaboration seamlessly. Low-code, no-code platforms. These platforms empower business users to create and modify BPM applications with minimal coding, accelerating development cycles and promoting innovation. Focus on customer experience. BPM systems are increasingly designed with a customer-centric approach, aiming to improve customer journeys and satisfaction through streamlined processes. Predictive analytics for process optimization, leveraging data analytics and real-time insights to optimize processes, identify bottlenecks, and proactively improve performance. Compliance and regulatory adherence. With evolving regulatory landscapes, BPM systems are enhancing features for compliance management, ensuring processes adhere to industry standards and legal requirements. Thank you.